Hola mis amores, besitos, how are you today? I'm doing amazing. I look colorful, I'm very well aware of it. I have the Princess Leia buns. Yes, I'm rocking them. I'm feeling very joyous today. Today's a beautiful day. Tuesday, is today Tuesday? It's Tuesday. We're almost done with July. I don't know what's gonna happen for the rest of the year, but we are having a good day today, so I wanna have a small story time with you guys. We're gonna talk about
scams.
Yay, scams, amazing. And how to set yourself up for success and try to avoid these as much as you can. Unfortunately, in these unprecedented times, there's a lot of people looking for work and there's a lot of people willing, sad to say, to take advantage of that. This situation happened to me a few days ago. I think it was last week. I'm gonna tell you what could have happened to me if I didn't use my noggin here. So just a little pre-story for this whole situation to make sense to you guys. I am a registered medical interpreter in the United States, and you can find my email, my phone number, and my, I guess, certification online on the National Board for Medical Interpreters. And I got this email. A very interesting email, I might add, right? I'll show you the email in a few more moments, but the email said something along the lines of, get paid $80 an hour. You're gonna be getting paid $75 an hour while you're training. And I thought, oh my God, this is amazing. $80 an hour? Girl, I'm not getting paid that right now. So I kept on reading, right? $80 an hour and $75 I'll be getting paid while I train. I was very excited. But instead of jumping onto the opportunity, I took a seat back and said, okay, $85 or $80 an hour is a little bit too good to be true. So I kept reading the email. So I was like, you know what? Instead of clicking on the link it's telling me to click on, I'm going to wait a few more seconds, a few more minutes, a few more moments, maybe even a few more days, but I'm going to do a little bit of research on this company that I personally have never heard of. So I started researching the company. Awesome. The company is a company that is dedicated to the medical industry. And I saw this name, and I'm going to just scratch out the name because the person has nothing to do with this, of the representative who sent me that email. So I do a quick search on LinkedIn, right? And come to find out, this person has on her LinkedIn page stopped contacting me about interpreters wanting jobs. Okay. So right now we have a combination of several elements, right? We have the fact that the company is not located in the United States. There's nothing wrong with companies located abroad, but you have to really think about, okay, so they're paying me a little bit too much compared to what other companies are offering for the same work. The email had a link for me to schedule an appointment with another person. I didn't click on the link. Actually, I didn't click on any links on that email. And that's another thing I want to tell you guys. Try to not click on links unless you are sure who sent you the email, who sent you the link, or where they're coming from. Also, look at the email address in its entirety. If the email address looks funky, you're not feeling too sure, it looks a little shady, you could do a little bit more research on it, go with your gut feeling. Don't click on the links. Take yourself back just a few seconds, and instead of clicking on their direct link, I just looked up their company website directly on Google on the search bar and moved from there. I went to LinkedIn, I looked up the name of the person who supposedly, allegedly sent me the email. So just be mindful of that. Times are scary, times are uncertain. No one really wants to be scammed. And I'm not sure if these people were trying to scam me. I don't know why people would want to scam me, I'm broke. But once I saw the lady's LinkedIn and the description that said, hey, interpreters, stop contacting me because I literally don't even know what you guys are talking about, that was enough for me to say, stop. It's a scam. I don't know how they're gonna try to get me, but they're going to get me. And that's all I wanted to tell you guys. It was my little story time about scam. Just be very careful, you guys. Stay safe. Wear your face mask. Wash your hands. Do the 20 seconds. Sing happy birthday twice. You know, get in there. And stay safe also from scammers. Smart. Be smart about what you click on. Don't ever click on things directly. If you think the email, the text is funky, just exit out and go to the website directly or call a representative directly. Due diligence never hurt anyone. Besitos. See you guys soon this weekend. I don't know. I'm probably not going to be looking like this weekend because I honestly have never worn so much color on my eyeballs. I have like green, I have like peach or whatever, and like fuchsia. I don't know. What do you guys think? Interesting, huh? I love my shirt though. Purple is my favorite color. So anyways, you guys, besitos. Watch out for scammers. Brains. Use your brains, people. Bye.